Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious eclairs. We'll start by preparing the choux pastry, which is the foundation of this classic dessert. Next, we'll bake the pastry until it's perfectly golden and hollow, ready for its luscious filling. Finally, we'll add a smooth, rich chocolate glaze to complete these delightful treats. Get ready to create some impressive desserts. To begin, combine water, butter, a pinch of sugar, and salt in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Quickly add flour, stirring vigorously until a dough ball forms. Remove from heat and beat in 4 large eggs, one by one, until the dough is smooth and glossy. Now, pipe the choux pastry into 3-inch strips on a baking sheet, ready for the oven. Bake your piped choux pastry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, then reduce the heat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 15 minutes until golden and puffed. Once cooled completely, carefully slice each eclair lengthwise. Now, generously fill each pastry with your favorite rich pastry cream using a piping bag, ensuring every bite is decadent. For the finishing touch, let's make a luscious chocolate glaze. Gently melt 4 ounces of good quality dark chocolate. Stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter until fully incorporated and smooth. Then, add 1/4 cup of warm heavy cream, mixing until the glaze is shiny and fluid. Finally, dip the top of each filled eclair into the warm glaze, letting any excess drip off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.